What's going on, everyone? It's Tafari here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about, yes, this is not clickbait, how to join MCA for completely free. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so you're wondering how you can join MCA for free. Well, look, you're going to have to earn the same way that you can do with anything else. When I say free, you know it's for free, it's very easy, it's very simple. The concepts are simple, what you're doing is simple, and it actually kind of prepares you for when you start your MCA business in some sort of way. So here's what you can do. There's a little bunch of these apps on the market, a bunch, and I've picked out a bunch and sorted out and came up with strategies in which people who join my course can get inside these apps for completely free. But right now I have an app right in the link in the description, which you can do depending on the promotion of the time. When the promotion is not going on, it's $5 per referral, and when the promotion is going on, it could be anywhere from 10 to 20 or $30 per referral. And there's a bunch of other apps that are paying $1,000 for 10 referrals and things of that nature, with a bunch of type of bonuses depending on the month and depending on the time of the year. So look, what I did is I put together this complete course that actually it's a crash course for you guys to get into, where you guys can start earning money with these apps completely free. But look, you can use it for your MCA business for many ways, whether you're trying to start it, whether you're trying to get Facebook ad funding, Bing advertising funding, buy flyers for your business, pay for your phone bills and things of that nature for the business. All just function your MCA business and fuel your MCA business. Like, it's good when you have little things that fuel one business to make you money, and then you fuel the other business to make you money. And you're just an overgoing circle, and you're taking the profits and you're taking what you can use, and that's what the whole goal is when it comes to achieving financial freedom. So if you do want to learn the strategies that I'm using, you want to learn the strategies that other people are using to generate free income using free traffic sources, and there's some paid traffic sources, it's all up to you. Remember, free traffic is always time traffic. Remember when I say that. So yes, it will take some time, but look, you're making money. It's better than going out 9 hours slaving whatever you do and whatever you hate to do, rather than just getting paid to refer people to start simple products for completely free. There's no spending that you're gonna have to do when it comes to referring with this, but it will get you with the mindset, preparing to talk to people, getting used to referring people, and see if you like it or not. It actually kind of prepares you for whether you want to do this or not. Remember, inside my course I go through a couple other things with bonuses and all these other things included. Not only am I talking about how to make money, I'm also talking about what you can do with your money, how to leverage your money to do other things. It's not all about getting rich, making a quick buck, and then stopping. It's all about building one thing on top of another and keeping it going like a cycle. You don't want to just get money and spend it. You want to get money invested. You want to get money and leverage it. All those things. I go through a lot of things inside the free course. It's all about who wants to take action. It's not just about making money. Remember that. It's about building a foundation to secure you for your future. Alright, I'll leave that. But yes, get inside the course if you do want to start your MCA business for free. All you have to do is refer a few people to these apps, and you'll have enough money. Shebang, shaboom, shapa. And there's apps that has banking, apps with food, apps with all types of things. I'm not here to I'm here to promote my course, but I'm actually going to take you through something. I'm going to take you to my value ladder, starting with this course. So get inside. Can't wait to see you on the inside. Alright, so yes, that is how you can do it, or you can do it for literally anything else. This is my MCA video for Monday. I'm signing out. Peace.